Hey, this is Sharon at Cold Creek Nurseries, and today I was going to tell you a little bit about Itea. If you're like me, you want stuff blooming all the time. You're like, I want something blooming. So azaleas have just about finished blooming. Your rhodies have finished blooming. Your Pieris is finished blooming. Father Gillis finished blooming. So you're looking for that next wow factor. And to me, Itea or sweet spire is it, because this plant looks so beautiful. This is actually 3 different varieties here, even though you can tell most all of them have the same bloom on it. Leaf texture's a little bit different. This plant will take part shade to part sun. It can take up to 6 hours of sun. I think it prefers, of course, the morning sun, maybe not that late hot afternoon sun we get. But this one right here is called Fizzy Mizzy, and she is so cute. She only gets about 2 to 3 feet. And then we have this one, which is called Love Child, and I love this one. And this one gets about 3 to 4 feet. And then we have Henry's Garnet, which most of y'all are probably more familiar with. It's been around for a long time. And this one will get about 5 feet eventually. So you can have this just about anywhere and about any size that you want, and just make your garden beautiful and glowing. So come on down and see me.